Hello friends, my name is Shalu Pal. Welcome to my Learn by Watch Career YouTube channel. Today in this video, we will learn about top 10 tips to improve your communication skills. Have you ever thought that why most of the companies specify in their job advertisements that they are looking for someone with good communication skills? But the question is in every student's mind is that how you can improve your communication skills and what are the benefits of communication skills. I have an answer to all these questions. So first, let's see how you can improve your communication skills. I have 10 tips for you to improve communication skills. My first is reading. Second tip is watching. Third is listening. Fourth is use dictionary. Fifth is speaking. Sixth is chatting. Seventh is coaching. Eighth is writing. Ninth is practice. 10th is body language. So this is all my top 10 tips to improve your communication skills. We will see one by one. My first tip is reading. Reading is the first and the most important step in improving your communication skills. You can read books, newspaper, articles and magazines. This will help you in gaining knowledge for English language and helps you while speaking. My second tip is watching. You can watch English movies or TV shows to improve your listening and speaking skills. This will help you in learning pronunciations and building good vocabulary. My third tip for you is listening. Listening good English music or radio stations will help you in improving your listening skills, speaking skills and fluency. My fourth tip for you is to use dictionary. Try to read daily 15 to 20 words from your dictionary and use those words in your daily communication to practice. This will improve your vocabulary. My fifth tip is speaking. It is the best way to improve your communication skills. Try to speak in English with your colleagues, friends and family. Speaking more and more will make you fluent in English as we are more comfortable with them, so practicing with them will be very easy for us. It will also be helpful for them in improving communication skills. My sixth tip for you is chatting. Nowadays, chatting is one of the routine habit of everyone to communicate with colleagues or friends. Try to do mobile chat, group chat or video chat in English to improve your vocabulary, speaking and writing skills. My seventh tip for you is coaching. If you are new to English language and knows nothing about English and how to communicate, then you have to join nearby coaching institute or training center so that you can learn basic grammar, sentence formation and English composition. They train you from the basic of English to advanced English. They will give you complete package with all the learning material and various practice sessions along with DVDs. My eighth tip for you is writing. You can write your personal events, thoughts, experiences, memories or any other information in your diary or laptop. It will improve your writing skills. My ninth tip for you is practice. Practice will make you feel more confident to communicate fluently in English. Along with coaching, practicing is must to attain fluency in communication. You can practice through group discussions with your friends. You can participate in debate or give speech on any topic. My 10th and last tip for you is body language. Your body language speaks a lot. So work on it to improve your non-verbal communication like facial expressions, hand gestures, body postures and good eye contact. So these are all my top 10 tips to improve your communication skills. It's better for you if you improve all these communication skills before entering into the job or before joining any company. Let's see why communication skills are so much important to join any workplace. First is it helps with diversity. Effective communication helps to reduce the barriers raised due to language and cultural differences. Second is employee morale. If your communication is strong, it automatically boost your morale and you will feel more confident. Third is team building. Effective communication is important in building a highly efficient and integrated team. It helps managers to perform the performance of their team members. And if your communication is good, you will be able to trust each other and management. Fourth is building relations. You need to communicate well to build and maintain effective relations with your colleagues, suppliers, and clients. Fifth is to achieve success. See, in whatever company you're working, it may be a small company or it may be a MNC. If you are good in your communication, then you will definitely be faster to achieve success in your organization. My sixth point is global business. Nowadays, global business transactions are continuously increasing, so the need for good communication skills is also in demand. Seventh point is problem solving and critical thinking. If you are good in your communication skills, then you will definitely be able to solve your problems quickly and your creative and critical thinking abilities can be increased effectively. So these are all the importance of communication skills in the workplace. So before entering the workplace, it's better for you to learn the communication skills and work on it. Now let us see some benefits of good communication skills. Good communication is important for the development of an organization. It is something which helps the managers to perform the basic functions of management: planning, organizing, coordinating, motivating, and controlling. It is said that effective communication is the building block of an organization because it leads to good coordination between employees. Employees feel motivated towards their work. It helps the employer to know how a job is being performed and how to improve performance if it is not up to the mark. It acts as a source of information and helps in effective decision making by identifying the best course of action from all alternatives. Good communication also helps in building positive attitude in employees. Employees start socializing by making new relations and enjoy their work in that healthy and trustworthy environment. Apart from the other functions of management, it also helps in the controlling process of management. It allows the manager to know about the grievances of the subordinates and helps the subordinates to know about the policies of organization which reduce conflicts in the workplace. So we have covered almost all the topics of communication skills. How you can improve your communication skills, what are the importance of communication skills, and last but not the least, what are the benefits of good communication skills in the workplace. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you will like and subscribe my channel Learn by Watch Career. For more videos, you can visit our website learnbywatch.com, and also you can join our online courses learnbywatch.in. You can visit our Facebook page fb.com/learnbywatch, and you can also visit our Twitter page twitter.com/learnbywatch. Thank you.